Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Ndingadzina Suhana ndingwana ndo mahungoni. And if you're still asking urukutangana mini, damn, vakosalera. Man, there's a brand new sneaker. Yo, I'm loving the design. I'm loving how everything is put together. It's a beautiful sneaker. And the sneaker that is named after South African Municipal Workers Union, Ronald Mani, who was a Limpopo Deputy Secretary. May his soul rest in peace. You know, is the guy that was fighting against corruption at the Venda district. You know, he did lead the union in various capacities at the local and regional level until his election as a deputy secretary in 2016. Unfortunately, yeah, man, we lost him. Rest in peace. But Arioka has, we just have to continue celebrating his life and his work. And then in his memory, man, the sneaker have been named after him. It's a beautiful sneaker. It's a very dope sneaker. I'm going to show you the sneaker. You guys don't believe me. That's the sneaker, man. Yeah, man, it's called Baronza. It's a beautiful sneaker. You can have your own sneaker by making sure that you log on to www.baronza.co.za. And then when you do that, I'm telling you, definitely, you're going to be impressed. You're going to get yourself this sneaker, or you can email them on info@baronza.co.za, or you can go on to sales@baronza.co.za. If you feel like no, you need to give them a call. You can hit them up on 064 553 and you can get yourself this sneaker. If you think this is a joke, check this out, guys. Man, this sneaker is just too dope. They have different colors from your black to your white to your red. Man, they got all these kind of slick sneakers. I'm telling you, you can see the yellow one right there. So make sure that you hook up this sneaker. You get yourself a sneaker. Oh, it's not even expensive, guys. You can hook it up just for 800. I know it was 1,400, but the price have gone down to 800. You can also check them out on Instagram and Twitter, Baronza_Mani. Yeah, man. Rest in peace, Mr. Mani. Still celebrate and respect that you stood and you fought. And then we're hoping the rest that are left behind, they're still going to do the same and fight this corruption. Wow, man. You know what? I'm so in love with these sneakers. Make sure, guys, you get yourself the sneaker. If you feel like you're worried about the distance or no, man, I'm going to be very far. How am I going to get it? That's not an issue. That's not an issue. Because these guys, they do deliver. They do deliver. And then you can just pay $100. Or if you wanted me to put it in this way, and they're 99 rand a fades. 99 rand a fades. Tindizune wakongwana msikufundi ambe ngoralo ndiro 99 rand. Yeah, you can hook it up just for 99 rand. You can get the sneaker. And then if you're still asking yourself, but hey, is this for real? Hey, let me tell you guys. Wait and see the music video. Wa Makadzi Tete Mrau. Because on that music video, the dancers like Limpopo boy, they were rocking the same sneaker. You can see the video shoot there. They were shooting tete. You know the video that Makazi took the whole thing back to the street. To wait, all started. Performance, Stratanis, taxi rank, everything, the hardships and the hustle. Man, big up to the director, big up to the choreographers, big up to everyone who put together that music video. Because yo, man, all the clips and the pictures I've seen, way dope. But yeah, man, check the sneakers right there on the music video. You can see the white one, you can see the black one. So make sure that you also get yourself this sneaker, because Odrambango, you don't want to definitely big up. Thank you very much, guys, for introducing something unique, something fresh, something so nice, something so dope. trying to sing asuzwanga. So that's what's the zone ndori ezibona vone vachikorwa tse murahu ti vako mfamusi ezi vachikorwa literekele vachikolisinda lelero kutamba ngamurahu ndikamba ndi makadzi murahu feature Mr Brown kana wakavona music video ava make sure uri vambara ne sneaker vambara ne liteki vajaivesa na lamaswana achikodia zvahone achiri vakubona vadia vako mfamusi zoto raro ndiruso kuda zotambiwa vona utofuma vari pedzi vari vamena murao. So zondanga ndabudza zondizo pedzi zori make sure that you coop this sneaker and you make sure that you rock it dancing to this song, because as you see namajita ane avora kota zone akodia hezi yeah vakwambara ne mateki. So be proud. Vamwe vangako budzisa zori grand mune wa ori zivhaga uri wena okay mateki wachiwa mkombo chisahuru vakongwana musi arara vachikofa ndiko Ronald Mani yeah ndi mutono dibverani fula chisamu ndi munhu avano na vori ovachibvani fula chisahuru asikole kule na thondo arava saudivi ndi ane fula tsini achibva chisahuru yeah vakongwana musi. And then over beza Bembe district municipality office anenge Thoyando. Yeah man, before he was gone down, but yeah I'm proud to see that his name lives on. Big up. Yeah, so I'm about to bounce, but guys, yeah man, this is zone makadzi vari tsetse muraho namara here ndi vafuna zone. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you comment, make sure that you like our pages. You can go and find me on Twitter ni Nema or Van Rap Radio also on Twitter 0826937124 and the WhatsApp. But there's one thing I'm gonna tell you, please atisendeli mutu music, because phone yanga aina music osendela mutu atisendi music. If artists drop a track, go check it out on our website www.venrapradiostation.co.za kana www.renderfiles.co.za. Ezi website zinako zivona zonga ranepo bako no download the music unless then the music is being sold. Then we have to check our iTunes, Deezer, Spotify and the rest of other online channels. Ngore ngangeno arinayo access yosanela vatu muzika vatri so ndiyombela farero ndikera ndide mini marango vatu ari support muzika hayani, ari support zi brand za hayani B Baronza kana var BR rekomba tekeneyo. Log on to their website www.baronza.co.za or reverse number zone. You hit them up on their contact, can be even the WhatsApp business number in Vanayo. You can even hit them on that number 06455317888 06455317888 06455317888. Kanavar info@baronza.co.za, sales@baronza.co.za or vatojenane palaka website yavo www.baronza.co.za. You'll be able to send them the message or hit them up on their social media. Baronza on Facebook, Baronza_Mani, Twitter and Instagram. Ne amara here ndibafuna zone te. Yeah man, auna nazimwe ndau yanduna auna nazimwe amara here.